Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you all 10 habits to follow to get flawless and glowing skin. So yes, we need to follow few habits to get a glowing skin, and it should be done on daily basis, and these are just a very simple habits which we do it on daily basis. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So the very first habit is to have at least 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day, and what you can do is as soon as you wake up early in the morning, you can start your day with a glass of water, and throughout the day keep drinking water. Remind yourself to drink water. Drinking water is going to help you in many ways, and it's going to give you that natural glow from inside. It's going to remove all your toxins from the body, and you are going to have a wonderful skin. So don't forget to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Point number 2 is to follow a proper CTM routine, which means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So make sure to use a very mild face wash which is not very harsh for your skin, and make sure it suits you. So find a proper face wash for your skin which suits you, and also use a toner and a moisturizer, which is must. Do not skip this part. Point number 3 is to always use a sunscreen. Even if it's a rainy day, cloudy day or whatever day it is, make sure you always use a sunscreen, because you never know how the UV rays can damage your skin, and it's really going to make your skin dry. So make sure you never ever skip your sunscreen. It is very much important. You can go for any kind of sunscreen, whichever brand you like, and it should be more than SPF 30, which is good for your skin. So make sure you always use sunscreen, and there are few foundations which has also sunscreen in it. So no worries, you can even use that if you're using a foundation on a daily basis, or if you have a cream which has sunscreen in it. So that's the best part. Never skip your sunscreen. That's most important. Point number 4 is to go for a walk or have some physical exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. It's very important. It's also going to relieve that stress from inside. Physically it's going to make you fit, and it works wonder for your skin. So at least 30 minutes of walk or any kind of physical activity is really gonna help you. So make sure you go for a walk. Nature walk is the most important and essential thing. When you're going out and walking in the nature, in the open air, you're going to absorb so many fresh air and the fresh oxygen, and that's going to give you a really glowing skin. So try it. It is always best to go for a morning walk early in the morning if you have time, or if you do not have time, try to make some time and then go for a walk. It's really going to help your skin a lot. So 30 minutes of physical exercise, some yoga or a walk works wonder for your skin. So point number 4 is to maintain a proper diet, and maintaining a proper diet means having lots of green vegetables, fruits, including all these things in your diet. You can go for some juices or some fruits, and make sure to include lots of green vegetables in your diet. So when you eat healthy foods, from inside it's going to give you the inner glow, and it's really gonna glow your skin from inside. So make sure that you're having proper fruits, proper vegetables. At least in a day, try to have one fruit. Like you can go for apple or an orange or whatever is in the season, and maybe whatever fruit you like. So always make sure to at least try to eat one favorite fruit of yours in a day, and you can see the difference. It's really good for your skin. Point number 6 is to maintain a proper bedtime routine. Yes, what we do is we wake up in the morning when we are going out, or even if we're not going out, we tend to wash our face, put some cream, put some sunscreen on, and what we usually don't do is not maintaining a bedtime routine, which is not good for our skin. So what you need to do is you need to have a proper bedtime routine, in the sense you need to always remove your makeup before sleeping. Putting on the makeup and then going to sleep with that makeup damages your skin from inside. So don't ever do that. How much ever tired you are, go to the washroom, wash your face, and then use a toner and a moisturizer, and then go to sleep. It is very important to use a moisturizer and then sleep, because it's going to make your skin very glowy from inside and does not let your skin get dry. Point number 7 is very interesting, and it's one of the point which we guys tend to do it very often. Suppose if we have a pimple or acne problem or anything related to that, we are very curious about it and we feel like touching it, popping it. No, that's a big no. So stop doing that. If you have a pimple or something, just let it go on its own. You're not supposed to touch it or you're not supposed to pop it. By that you're going to harm your skin and you're going to lose the glow in your face. So never do that. Do not pop your pimples, do not pop the acne, do not even touch them. If you have acne problem, there are some essential oils which are going to help you. So use it overnight and then the other morning it's solved, the problem is solved. So you can try using some oils which are good for your acne and all, but do not pop them, do not pop your pimples. Point number 8 is to reduce your sugar intake. By that I mean, once you tend to eat lots of sugar, what happens is your sugar level in the body comes up, right? So that way the oxygen level drops down. So that is going to harm your skin in many ways. So it's not like you have to completely stop eating sugar. Avoid. Suppose if you are eating it maybe 7 days a week, throughout the week, don't do that. Make it to 2 days or 3 days a week, and that too in a minimal quantity. So that's going to help your skin repair from inside, and that way you're going to maintain the glow that you have in your face. So reduce the sugar intake from your. Point number 9 is don't take stress. If you take stress, what happens is your skin start getting dull, dry. You are going to have sleeping problems and many other problems related to that. So in life, many problems come, many stress come, and it goes off, right? So we don't have to worry a lot, because that is no way gonna solve your problem and it's no way gonna help you. So do not take stress. Let the situation go, let the time fly, and you are gonna have the best times of your life. So forget it, don't think about it much, do not stress yourself, and do not get a dull skin. So if you want to have that glowing skin, don't take stress. Point number 10 here is most important. That is, you should get at least 8 hours of sleep. Guys, sleep is very much important for your skin. If you are well rested, your skin is well rested, and the other morning you wake up to be fresh, you wake up to be not tired, and your skin is gonna glow when you sleep well. So it is very much important to sleep at least 8 hours properly. Every human being needs at least 8 hours of sleep to function properly, right? So your skin needs proper rest as well. So make sure you sleep 8 hours without worrying. So guys, these were the 10 habits to follow to get a proper glowing skin from inside and to get a flawless skin that you've always dreamt of. So these are very simple habits which can be followed on daily basis, and you can feel the difference yourself. So make sure that you follow this habit, and if you feel the difference after following all this habit, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any kind of video request, you can also let me know so that I can come up with that kind of a video for you guys. So that is it for this video. See you guys in another video. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.